Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last year in November, I posted a video letting you know that Google had added an AI chatbot to search results in the form of the experimental feature Search Labs, which brings generative AI into search. And Search Labs was something you could sign up for last year, which I did for the purpose of this channel. And what it does, you can enable the experimental feature to include AI overviews when you do a Google search. And obviously you can toggle the feature on, which I did. And just a quick recap for the purpose of today's video. If you do a Google search, it uses Gemini and artificial intelligence to give you that AI overview right at the top of the page in certain search results over and above your so-called normal search results, which will appear down below the AI generated overview using Google Gemini. Now, I'll leave that video for what it's worth in the end screen, but just to let you know that yesterday, on the 14th of May, Google has announced that AI overviews have begun rolling out to everyone in the United States. So even if you didn't sign up for Search Labs, if you do find yourself in the United States, you should start seeing this now as a default feature in Google Search. And Google also says that more countries will be getting the feature over the next coming weeks. So with more countries coming soon, they mentioned from that announcement. So basically what this means, according to Google, is that plenty of users will have access to AI overviews, and they also expect to bring them to over 1 billion people by the end of the year. So obviously they're going to be pushing this out into more regions as the year progresses. And Google says that with AI overviews, people are visiting a greater diversity of websites for help with more complex questions, because obviously if you've got a complex question, you can break it down into a simple, easy to read and understand format. So basically Gemini and AI does all the hard work and the heavy lifting for you. And they mentioned that they've seen that the links included in AI overviews get more clicks than if the page had appeared as a traditional web listing, your so-called normal Google search for that query. So just letting you know about this, that AI is coming to Google search. And obviously I'm keeping a close eye on this one. So even if you weren't signed up to Search Labs, AI overviews started in the US as of yesterday. And this will be rolling out to more countries soon, according to Google. And obviously I'll keep a close eye on this one. And like it or not, it seems that AI with Microsoft and Google and most mainstream companies is becoming more and more integrated into OSs and browsers and apps and everything like that. And I certainly hope, though, like the Search Labs, you can actually turn this feature off. I certainly hope, though, and there's no actual mention of it, but I certainly hope that they do give us an option to be able to turn off AI search results as part of the actual settings eventually for Google search. But if that ever becomes a reality, obviously I'll post and let you guys know. And AI search results now starting to roll out in the US and becoming more widely available towards the end of the year. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.